name is Liban Yusuf. I'm from Somaliland. I'm the Deputy Minister of Health. I have spent 3 days here in Vizag, the Amtz, the Center of Innovation and Technology. It was a great experience for me and for my country to see this technology advancement here at Amtz. During the tour, we have seen a very sophisticated facilities and production of technology that has been made a very short period of time. It is something that we can draw lesson as African countries, especially countries from Horn of Africa. And we really congratulate the government and the people of India by making this success in their country. And I believe we can replicate this success story in our respective countries as African countries. And especially, it gives us inspiration and courage that we can make this success in Somaliland. And we take that commitment and hope back to our homeland. And we are very grateful the hospitality of the government and the Amtz team in this holy city, Vizag. And I believe we can make this cooperation take forward, make our efforts together to make the success that has been made here in Amtz. Thank you very much.